124 national highway projects in Goa with an investment of more than 15,860 crores. In addition, the 19 road safety projects worth of 378 crores and 18 CRFI projects with the worth of 202 crores have also been sanctioned. Together, this representation and investment of more than 16,440 crores in the Goa road infrastructure, out of which over 7,240 crores has already been spent on execution, transformations, the road network across the state. Ankara bypass has improved the connectivity towards the Karnataka. The large portion of the NH66 have already been completed, while remaining the stretch has been progressing rapidly. Similarly, the major section of the NH748 and NH566 have been upgraded, improving the connectivity between the Panjim, Folda, Molam and the South Goa, which is the part of the Karnataka and the Maharashtra. The several landmark project has currently under execution. The Polvorim elevated corridor has been progressing steadily and will provide a major relief to one of the busiest traffic corridors in Goa. Construction of new Borim Bridge, established of 1,900 crores, will remain a critical missing link across the Zuari River. We also seek the continued support for the Molam-Khandepar 4-lane and Marga Western bypass and Sakli bypass for the additional road safety, ensuring the improved pedestrian for the infrastructure across the national highway.
जैसे आपने बोला है कि बोरिम ब्रिज को जुआरी रिवर पर है, उसको हमने एनुअल प्लान में शामिल कर लिया। अभी मीटिंग में ही हमारी डिस्कशन हुआ था, उसको हम एनुअल प्लान में ले ही रहे तो उसकी कोई समस्या नहीं रहेगी। मोलेम खंडेपार जो 4 लेन का जो है उसको भी हमने एनुअल प्लान में शामिल किया ही है। सेकेंड, आपका जो मड़गांव एक्सटेंशन बाईपास है जिसकी आपने डिमांड की है वो स्टेट रोड आपकी है, मगर कोई ना कोई रास्ता, अभी डीजी साहब हम लोग बैठे ही थे मीटिंग में, तो कोई ना कोई रास्ता लेकर के इसका भी उसे भी हम भारत सरकार के किसी न किसी या डीकंजेशन में लिया जा सकता है, उसमें लेकर के उसको भी हम स्वीकारते हैं।